So if you remember recently, Toyota just released their first teaser image of the new 4Runner. So if you remember, it said 4Runner across the lower part of the liftgate, and then we got to see the lower part of the bumper with the silver accent and the sensors. And then it had an opening for the receiver hitch. And then we could just see a little hint of the taillight on the driver's side. Then today, Toyota releases a social media post with them rolling down the back window like all 4Runners had. So it's cool to see they didn't get rid of that feature. Taking a closer look at the new teaser, we can see that it's in a nice blue color. The rear glass is going down. We can see inside a little bit, and we can see that there's that large 14-inch display in the center. So let's just take a quick look on the driver's side. Between the seat cracks, you can kind of look at the cluster, and it looks like it has a nice colorful display. Then from the cluster, you can kind of see the push start button they have up high there. And then moving over, you can see the nice big screen they have with the, I believe, the volume control button right below it. You can't really see what's in front of the passenger seat besides a small little air vent. So we still don't know what's going on in front of that area yet. If we take a closer look at the seats, it kind of looks like they're a dark tan color. I could be wrong, but let me know in the comments what color you think the seats are. And from what I can tell in the picture, you're gonna get grab handles for the front passengers, and it looks like you can see the grab handle for the rear door passengers too. Now looking at the outside of the 4Runner, we'll just start at the roof. On the top center, we'll see the little shark fin antenna, and then we'll see the nice silver roof rails. And from there, we have the nice spoiler. It should be tucking the wiper blade for the rear window. And then from there, we have the nice back glass that raises up and down. Working our way to the outside edges, we have these nice redesigned tail lights that look pretty sure they're LED from the looks of them. And then working our way right to the middle, we're gonna get that nice tailgate handle that says Toyota across it. And then on each side, it kind of has like a textured look to it if you kind of look closely. And from there, we have the two triangles, the up and down triangles. You have to let us know in the comments, are you relieved that they kept the window going up and down? A lot of us thought that they would get rid of that feature. Also, what do you guys think? Do we think the dash is just a copycat of the Tacoma? Let us know. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.